Welcome back to my channel Path to Trade. In this video, let's explore how to identify the support and resistance levels and how to draw the trend lines and add the indicators on the charts. So let's begin. We are into the Reliance chart of 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let's identify the support and resistance levels in this chart. First, before identifying, first look into the historical data of the chart, where then identify the lows of lower points of on the chart. Then draw a trend line. Click on this symbol, select the trend line, then you can draw this as a support. See, this is a support line. Support, it is a point on a chart where it doesn't allow the price to fall further, right? Because the demand is more, the buyers are more, and they don't allow the price to fall further, and the price bounces back. This is a major support. Here, this is the major support line. Support. Okay, because it is connecting the two multiple times. It has price has tested on this line, and it doesn't price has not come down this level, so this acts as a support. And see, the price has moved, a big move has happened from this support line, so this acts as a major support. Next, let's identify the resistance level. Resistance level, it is a point on a chart where the price doesn't rise further and it comes back. So here in this chart, we are identifying the highs of the pivot points 1, 2, 3, right? Then this is the resistance level, because the price has bounced back at this point. This is the resistance because supply is more, the buyers are more here, and they are defending the positions, and the price has come down. So always remember, always buy at support and sell at the resistance. You can sell at this resistance level. So see, the price has come down here. Price has moved down here. Always sell at the resistance. This is one point, this is one point, and this is one point. So we are connecting this points and making a resistance, right? Then let's see how to draw the trend lines. Okay, click on this symbol and take this trend line, select this trend line. See, it should connect 2 or 3 pivot points to form a valid trend line. From here, see, you can connect this. Yeah, it is connecting 2 to 3 points. This is a trend line. See, one for this in this figure, we are connecting 1, 2, and 3 points. Then it is a valid trend line. On breakdown of this, you can take a trade. See, the price has come down. This trend line also acts as a support. On breakdown of this trend line, you can sell. And see, the price has come down till here. And now it is again reversing back. Okay, I hope it is clear. Then on top of this, you can add a confirmation, like add the indicators. Click on this symbol simply search moving average. Moving average is simple. Select this. Okay, then on this click on the settings of this. You can change the input here, give 30, 50 moving average or 200 as per your wish. Then see, we have plotted the moving averages. The moving average also gives the confirmation that is an uptrend, and on breakout of this moving average you can take a trade. See, the price is moved till here. So this gives the indicators also gives the confirmation of the trend, and you can take a position once price crosses this indicator. Next, let's understand the role reversal of the resistance and support levels. See, in this chart, if we look into this chart, see, this is a resistance level. This was a previous resistance. This resistance turned into a support. Previously it was resistance and it turned into the support. See how price at this level took a support and it has moved. This is called role reversal. The resistance turns to support. Resistance becomes support level. Once the price comes on this level, once price comes to this level, again it bounces back because it is a now support level. Okay, then next, once on breakout of this resistance, it turns to support. Price take a support here and again it bounces back. This is called the role reversal of the support and resistance level. See, the price is again bouncing back because this is the supply zone here. It is a supply zone. So the seller's supply is more here. So it is not allowing the price to rise further. Okay, then that's all for the day. If you found this information useful, then please do share, subscribe, comment, and share my videos to your friends. Thank you.